Welcome to Omnivarsity. Number system. Before we try to solve the number system problems, we need to remember a few formulas. If the number given n is equal to a to the power x into b to the power y into c to the power z, where a, b and c are prime numbers, then the distinct prime factors are a, b and c. Number of prime factors will be x plus y plus z. Number of factors or divisors will be x plus 1 into y plus 1 into z plus 1. Then the sum of all factors will be a to the power 0 plus a to the power 1 plus a to the power 2 and so on till a to the power x into b to the power 0 plus b to the power 1 plus b to the power 2 so on till b to the power y into c to the power 0 plus c to the power 1 plus c to the power 2 plus so on till c to the power z. Euler number. Euler's number means the coprimes of the number that are lesser than the number. So if you need to find out the number of Euler's number, the formula is n into 1 minus 1 by a into 1 minus 1 by b into 1 minus 1 by c. If there are more than 3 prime numbers, we are going to add it to these patterns. Let us try to solve a problem using this. Let us take the number as 12. We need to first find the factors of the number. We can do it through prime factorization method or through division method. We know that 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, 2 square into 3 to the power 1. So now let us try to answer the questions. So here n is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. So distinct prime factors are 2 and 3. So there are 2 distinct prime factors. Number of prime factors will be 2 plus 1. So the exponents are 2 and 1, which is equal to 3. Number of factors or divisors will be x plus 1 into y plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, which will give us 3 into 2, which is 6. So there are 6 factors. Sum of all factors, 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1, which will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 3, 7 into 6, which will give us 42. Now for Euler's number, n is 12 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3. When we solve this, we are going to get 4. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Omnivarsity.